good. Chico. What the?
Go subscribe.
Where in the world are we?
Here we go.
What's up, y'all? I'm gonna start this intro off with a little shout out time. So, in our last video, we told everybody to tell us what animal Mariah saved, and the first 5 people would be getting a shout out. The animal that Mariah saved, y'all, was a lizard. So here you go, people. Number 1, Braden Card. Shout out to Braden Card, y'all. Number 2, Sarita Hernandez. Shout out to Sarita Hernandez. Number 3, Theory Vlogs. And keep up your commenting. I love reading all of your comments that you do. They're so nice. And number 4, Chase Smith. Chase Smith, y'all. Shout out to Chase Smith. Number 5, Ariel Warner. There you go for your shout outs. Ariel Warner was the last one. So thank you so much, all of y'all, for noticing what Mariah caught. And make sure that you guys all go to Sunshine Super Squad, Sunshine Studios Inc., Tyson's Wilderness, and also Sunshine Nation Music. So go to all 4 of those and subscribe as well if you want to keep updated weekly on other stuff we do. So now we're going to get to the video. In this video, we're going to be doing some awesome stuff with another fun YouTube channel. You need to watch to the end to see some of the adventures Mom and Jackson went on. They got chased through the streets by dogs. They just had so much fun. So if you want to see some of the crazy things they did, keep watching till the end. And for this shout out time, the first 5 people to put in the comments section what city Jackson was dancing in, like on the streets, you guys will get shout outs for the next time. So keep watching, y'all. Get ready for the video. Spread sunshine.
What's up, Sunshine Nation? So check this out. So we found this awesome family channel on YouTube. I think you guys are gonna love them, and we got a chance to collaborate with them in a weird way because they don't quite do a lot of vlogging like we do. They do something completely different. They asked us to come up with what our favorite lunches were for Jordan, Mariah, Juliana, Jaden, and Tyson. And then we sent it over. And so they created this awesome video. You guys gotta go check it out on their channel. The channel is The Family Fudge. The Family Fudge.
The Family Fudge, y'all.
Look in the description for the link to this specific video.
Check it out.
You guys will love it.
Bunches of lunches.
We love you, Family Fudge.
Subscribe. Go subscribe.
Check out our response to the Family Fudge video. Woo!
And the mystery family is Miss Sunshine. They have lots of crazy adventures on their channel. Definitely go check them out. And let them know that the
Tyson.
You know what? We did pick out our lunches this week, so there's lots of new ideas. Typical lunch today was chosen by Miss Juliana. She loves berries and blackberries in here. And of course some sprinkles. I'm going to add 2 more of Juliana's favorite lunch items, which are Cheeto Puffs.
Said my name.
Cheeto Puffs. You like it?
Orange soda.
What the?
Nana, what did you think about your lunch?
It was so good.
What did you like about it?
It was so good.
No, they're so cute. I'm pretty sure my kids will love them. Chosen by Miss Mariah. Of course, she chose barbecue chicken. Our next lunch was chosen by Jaden.
I liked how she made
the BLTs into rainbow bread, and then she cut it so it was star shaped.
I liked how she put little eyes in the sandwiches.
For this family, I'm using some store-bought frozen ones. I just heated them back up, and then I'm going to add them to my preheated thermoses.
Chico.
JJ, so what'd you think about seeing your lunch on the Family Fudge channel?
Oh man, it looks so good. I cannot wait to eat it. I love it. Oh, bro. Do y'all think they love it? Oh, yeah. I can't believe it was so good.
What did you even say? That was so awesome to see, and good job. That was nicely done.
Thank you, Family Fudge.
We just got off the bus. They said it's a bathroom stop. And they said, oh yeah, just go over there. There's a bathroom over there. I said, where is it? They said the bathroom's in the air. Out in the air. Oh. So what you're saying is I just have to go behind the building. Yep. That's what we just did. We're in Atoche. We did nothing here except for go to the bathroom in Aire. Just made it to Tupiza. We slept with people all around us, in the aisles, everywhere. Jackson, this was one of my favorite areas where I live. Love it. You're gonna love the people here. We were supposed to arrive at 4 a.m., so we were just gonna hang out at the bus station for 2 hours, but we arrived at 12:45. We happened to meet somebody that has a hotel and told us to find us. We're gonna walk a few blocks and find that. Good luck to us. Here we are, wandering the streets of Tupiza. Where in the world are we? We don't even know. Should be afraid of my own son. Yikes. That dog right there is saying, don't you dare cross my bridge. Okay. Giant dog. Not quite sure what to do with the giant dog. But one thing I've learned here in Bolivia is that they underestimate distances. When we had to go to the bathroom, they're like, oh, it's just 20 steps that way. It was like 3 blocks. It's kind of far. But we did make it past the dog. Once we reached down to grab a rock, he ran off whimpering. I learned that when I lived here before. Reach down for a rock and they're gone. See, Jackson's my bodyguard. They don't know how bad he is. We have found our hotel. This dog doesn't want us going to the hotel. Okay, but the hotel's right there. Dog, hotel. Dog, hotel. Get lots of rocks ready. This dog does not want us going to the hotel. See, they saw us pick up the rocks. They calm it down. Good doggy. Hopefully they open the doors for us, or else we sleep on the doorstep here. Buenos dias.
Buenos dias.
See someone I love with all my heart.
Papá.
Tu
Eres
papá.
mi papá.
Mucho gusto. Sí, interesante recibir.
This is the family. They gave us so much peace. They fed us. They treated me like family. We love them so much. He said it's a miracle of heaven. Él habla mucho español, pero hay que hablar despacio con él.
Sí.
Sí. Quiere esto. ¿Verdad? ¿Sabe qué es?
Sí.
Okay. Para cocinar.
Estos son bichos.
Un momento. ¿Eso?
Ay, esto sí.
¿Tu hermana me dijo que quiere eso?
Sí.
Ok.
Ay, eso me encanta.
Ah, debería haber comprado dos entonces.
Sí, me encanta. Aquí no hay mucho busco. Estoy feliz.
We arrived with the best flowers, the best greeting in the world. So happy. Pero yo creo que voy a recordar más aquí. Jackson. ¿Ves dónde estamos? Y Marta, she cooked for us so much. She's the best cook in the entire world. We love her. Ay, cuidado. I love you. I love you so much. So much. Yeah, no? Do you love Tupiza?
Sí, yo amo Tupiza mucho.
All right, Sunshine Nation, this is where I lived 20 years ago. This is my little casita. Yes, those are my windows. You guys, this is where I spent many days walking through this plaza. How beautiful! Qué hermoso. Baila, mijito. Chistoso. Abi? Jackson's about to eat lamb for the first time. All right, go for it. ¿Cómo es? Riquísimo? Bien. So look at this surprise, you guys. We have this exact same picture of Jesus. And our family room, and here I am in Tupiza, Bolivia, and have the same picture. Qué increíble, ¿no? It's been such a long time since I've been here. Las flores. Es lo que yo recuerdo. Las flores. ¿Cómo está? Buenas tardes. Buenas tardes. This is what she does. This is what they do. They grow these beautiful flowers.
Gracias por estar aquí, más bien.
Qué guapo. Gracias.
Yeah.
Give her 2 big kisses, Jackson. One on each cheek. La guitarra. We are just gonna miss the parade, Jackson. They're getting ready for a big parade. Yeah. Darn it.
We have to go?
Yeah. No tiene vergüenza para nada. Wow. Wow. ¿Cómo te sientes? Feeling good? All right, let's go. Now we're done. Woo! Bien hecho. Buena suerte. Bienísimo.
Gracias. Buenas tardes.
This is my Tupiza. I walked up this street so many times. This is where they chase us with buckets of water. ¿Me entiende? No? Guys! We're finishing up our 4th day. Tupiza, beautiful, beautiful day with Martha. Yes. We're so happy. All right, we love you guys. Woohoo! Short, beautiful day.
Serotonin City. City that makes you happy.
Tupiza, the city that makes you happy. ¿Qué es?
Muchísimo.
Alfajores.
Eso es. ¿Encontraste?
Sí, hasta la tienda.
Oh my gosh, she's been buying everything for us. Look at this, this ice cream, treats. Gracias. Sunshine Nation, tell her, say, Martha, come here. Come to United States. Come to Florida.
Yo iré.
Okay. She says she's coming.
¿Vas a venir a Florida?
¿Vas a venir a Florida? Sí, eso es sí. Sí, qué bien. They're the most beautiful people in the world. I'm gonna cry. I'm just so sad. I'm not sad. I'm happy too that I got to see them. I just love them so much. I love them so much. Les quiero.
Yo también les quiero.
Te quiero, te
Vas
amo
a
mucho.
cuidar.
Les amo mucho.
Nosotros también te amamos.
Les amo mucho. Yo voy a estar
Saludos
llorando
a toda
todo
la
lo que
familia. Saludos a todos.
Yo voy a hacer.
A todos, a todos.
I love you. ¡Ah! ¡Te quiero! ¡Te amo! ¡Te amo! ¡Te amo! We left Tupiza with full hearts. The bus ride was treacherous to say the least. We were on a double-decker bus and went around tight curves. On the way, we encountered a little trouble. Someone had brought some contraband on the bus from Argentina. But as we got through that, the trip continued to be amazing, exhausting, and wonderful all at the same time. We arrived in the beautiful city of La Paz.
Por fin en La Paz.
Javier, the one who's been getting everyone at every place, making sure they're there to pick us up, organizing everything. We're just so grateful. Muchas gracias por todo.
A ti, gracias.
Muchas gracias. Muchas gracias. You guys, the best travel agent in the world, taking care of us every city we went to, made sure we arrived, and here he is to get us. We made it. Uh-oh, Jackson's back there. It's because, you guys, he's carrying the heaviest bags. He's been such a super champ. Greatest gentleman. Thanks, Jax. La Paz is one of the highest cities in the world. It's built in like a crater, so we get to be above the city and then go down below as well. We just fell in love with the city and with the views. We arrived just in time to go to one of the largest church meetings in the country. Together, we loaded onto another bus with lots of new friends. We rode the bus for another hour, then waited in line outside for an additional hour. Oh my gosh, look at all the people just waiting to go in. Then after we made it inside, we sat in the seats for another 4 hours, just waiting for the big moment to hear our beautiful, wonderful speaker. And it was amazing to sit with 14,000 other people, just waiting and feeling in their faith. Beautiful moment. Sí, hay muchas. Sí. Bien hecho con tu español. Hey, Sunshine Nation.
Sunshine Nation.
Check out this city. Holy cow. It's in a huge hole. Yesterday we had a hard time breathing so high in altitude. Look at this.
Es para...
Sur Travel Bolivia. The best. He pays attention to every detail, you guys. He helps people in all parts of the world. He will take care of you. All right, Jackson, tell Dad what you're about to eat.
A hamburger. It's not meat.
Yeah, what's it made from?
Beans.
Quinoa.
Quinoa.
Quinoa. He loves quinoa. He's about to eat his quinoa burger. How do you like it? It's good, right? Yeah, I liked it too. Quinoa burger. We're in the La Paz airport on our way to Cochabamba. Hey guys, we are always on the move with this trip. No time to rest.
No time.
Where are we headed, Jackson?
Cochabamba.
Cochabamba. Woo-woo. So this time we don't have to go on a bus though.
No. We're in an airplane.
Yes, much better.
We're landing after 45 minutes.
Yep. Tengo que. Maria Luisa lived with us for a short time. Go get him. Go get him, Jackson. Go get him. It's Cachito. Go get him. Cachito! Cachito and Danny, I knew them when they were little kids. I was a missionary here, and they are just marvelous. Their mom fed us when I was a missionary here. So happy. Beautiful souls. Top in his class, right?
Yes.
Top in your work. You guys are amazing human beings. So we're staying here with them and we're so grateful. Amazing people here in Bolivia. We love them so much. And Cachito stayed with us at our house. And everyone loved Cachito. Everybody loved him. Everyone was so sad when he left. We were crying when you left.
Yeah, me too.
Guys, keep watching too after this, because on our next video, you're going to see Jackson helping out on an orphanage. He's going to be in the jungle. And he's just going to be having so much more fun. He's going to be Jackson style. Keep it up, y'all. Bye.
Yo, Eder, de Ecuador. Eres de Ecuador.
Ecuador Esmeralda.
Ajá, vive Ecuador.
¡Viva!
Spread sunshine. Woohoo, gracias.